Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you how to install a latch on a 2013 Polaris mid-size Ranger. This is the latch that opens up on each end. This is the brand new one. As you can see, it's already installed and it's on the right side. What you do is you pull it out. It comes out like this. It comes down. You got your cable. And over here you got the other screw that holds the cable in along with the latch, as you can see right there. Okay, I'm going to raise this back up. And if you look down in here, here's the other screw right there that screws in to hold it in the latch on the tailgate. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side. As you can see, it's off here. There's nothing there. This piece here was in this hole, broke off, and it's right here on this cable, which is the broke off piece. I put it on here so it'd stay together. I'll take it apart now because I want to hook it up. There's the cable, and it's got a little washer here, a sleeve that goes on this screw that this goes in to keep it lined up. Also, if you look here on the side, you have another washer that will come off. It's supposed to stay on there. The numbers that I have, the part number is 1018849, which is for the left side, and part number 1018850 is for the right side. It's called tailgate latch assembly. This is the new one I'm going to put over on the left side. As you can tell, the chrome piece goes up, which this goes in. So I'm going to pull the tailgate up. And this has to go in this hole right here. And it snaps in like that. And I'll go ahead and put this latch in over here. All this goes together, and you've got to be right on to get that screw to go into the latch on the inside. Let's see here. This is a number looks like T27 torque. Goes in here and you tighten it up. This seems like it's a little snug when it first goes in. And you just need it down snug enough that it rides on this. That's about what you need to do. Then you come in here on this side when you get it done. And this little hole here, you have another screw you put in there and tighten it up in through the tailgate. And then it latches and comes up. Okay, for right now, I'm waiting on my screw to get here through the UPS system, USPS, and that's all I have for right now. Thanks for watching.